how to redeem App Store gift card on iPhone. If you want to redeem your Apple's gift card on App Store on the iPhone, what you have to do is to simply launch the Apple's App Store on your iPhone. Once you've done so and you make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID, tap on the profile from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile from the very top right hand side, you can see the option called Redeem Gift Card or Code. So all you have to do is to simply tap on that little option you see, and as you've done that, you can use the camera to scan the gift card and it will automatically find the required numbers to scan it. So you want to place it behind your camera. Otherwise, you can also choose to enter the code manually and enter the digit numbers over here on your gift card and tap the redeem button. Based on the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed to your Apple ID balance, and you can choose to make future purchases with that balance as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.